said a word, you didn't send me no letter. Don't think I could forgive you. See, our word is slowly dying. I'm not wasting no more time. Don't think I could believe you.
feel the warmth, make me feel the cold. It's written in our stories, written on the walls. This is our call. We're rising and fall, dancing in the moonlight.
I can smell your fear.
Too many questions in